Get ready for another round of fun facts because we're at that number again, 5 to be exact. So let's begin. 1. Cows can be friends. That's right, they have friends just like you do. And just like humans, cows can be selective about who they're friends with. Researchers from the University of California, Davis have found that cows will choose to be around their favorite cows, just like you might choose to hang out with your favorite people. The study showed that cows will spend more time standing and walking with their favorite buddies, and will even eat less when they re-around. So cows are like, oh hey buddy, what's up? You want to eat some grass? Cool. If they don't like the other cows, they'll be like, whatever, I'm just going to stand over here and stare at the ground. Number 2, an octopus has blue blood and 3 hearts. Their blood is blue because it has a higher concentration of a protein called hemocyanin, which contains copper instead of iron. This makes their blood turn blue when it carries oxygen around their body. And as for their 3 hearts, well, 2 of them pump blood through their gills where they get oxygen, and the 3rd heart pumps blood to the rest of their body. So basically, they have 1 heart that does the same job as your heart, and 2 more hearts that do the job of your lungs. Weird, right? 3. Penguins propose with pebbles. Okay, so male penguins will propose to their potential penguin partners by offering them a pebble. And just like with diamonds, the size of the pebble is important. A larger pebble is generally a better choice, because it shows the male's wealth and status within the colony. And females are more likely to accept a proposal from a male that offers her a large pebble. However, there's also something called the threshold effect, which means that after a certain size, the female doesn't really care how big the pebble is. So the male penguins kind of have to find the sweet spot between putting in the effort to find a big pebble, but not wasting too much time and energy on something that won't make the female any happier. You know, kind of like with humans, some guys are just trying to flex their wealth and status, but it's only attractive up to a certain point. 4. Dolphins have names. Dolphins have names just like you and me, except they call each other by whistle. Each dolphin has a unique whistle that they use to identify themselves, and they can recognize each other's whistles too. In fact, researchers have found that dolphins can remember the whistles of up to 60 other dolphins. So basically, calling your bestie by their whistle is like saying, hey, what's up, bestie? And 5 elephants mourn their dead. Elephants are known to grieve the loss of their loved ones. When a calf dies, the mother will try to revive it by touching it with her trunk and even attempting to suckle it. And when an adult elephant dies, the herd will gather around the body and trumpet. They'll also touch the body with their tusks and trunks and raise their feet in the air. It's like they're trying to say goodbye one last time. So there you have it, 5 more fun facts about animals. If you loved these, subscribe and let us know what you want to learn next. Until then, see ya.